is induced.
The hearing loss. It is, when you say hearing loss, it will be chronic.
Chronic.
You don't want it. A temporary.
Temporary hearing loss.
If you are exposed to continuously in the ear, inside the vehicle, you don't expose high noise.
Normally noise has got two kind of effect. One is acute and chronic. But acute is if you are going more than 110, then you have got temporary.
The chronic, it don't be.
Yeah.
It don't be. You cannot say hearing loss.
More than
Hearing
Hearing impact, we can say.
You don't take any equipment. It is short term only. It is short term.
Short term hearing impairment. Short term hearing.
Short term hearing.
Short term hearing.
Yeah.
So existing control, what is existing control? First is the enclosure. And the second is noise measurement. SLA by SLA. And okay. Measurement, and third is PPE. As we agreed that PPE is when you are going to provide earcloth, correct? See, and distance. You are keeping distance also. And job rotation.
Normally variegated. Normally you are variegated when you are outside.
Yeah, distance.
That's not allowed, right? Variegation is there.
Variegation.
Where the heavy vehicles are moving here.
Say
The equipment side, there is actually no 50 because it's not allowed to the 50 meter, minimum 50 meter any case.
So that
Means a distance.
Variegated.
Variegation and distances. Same distance, variegation and distance. Job rotation. So you are rotating your people, I mean every shift, so that he will not have the continuous exposure. And then medical checkup, regular medical checkup, yearly.
Regular.
We say audiometry check. Audiometry. We do audiometry, no? Yeah. Audiometry.
No, don't put that. Normally the person will physically check unless.
Only medical check, regular medical check. So severity, I would say that let us keep the either into category minor. Likelihood is
Reversible. Minor is reversible, right?
yeah.
Exactly. No, right. See.
Possible.
I think it's possible.
Possible, right? Possible. Correct. For I think for this we are happy. Acoustic enclosure. Acoustic.
The long acoustic enclosure for
digital. Yeah. Correct. I can put it for digital if you wish.
And because having the silencer, right?
Silencer.
And silencer, noise and
maintenance of equipment.
Yeah.
Vehicle exhaust. Vehicle and DG also. And maintenance, regular maintenance. You are right.
That's very question and maintenance. Because for all vehicles, every yearly they have to go to the, the government and see vehicle licensing.
Yeah, correct. I think that we have got sufficient control. Whole